Is it just me, or did I end up in a forest?
Harmony. Hey, I'm relaxing here.
Sammy, can you keep it down? I need to study, you know.
Ugh, I want to go camping. When will we go on a trip?
Well, I can't promise you a trip in the next few days, but I've got an idea to cheer you up.
Careful! It's slippery. Phew. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make a camper.
Sammy, are you doing acrobatics? Let's craft.
Where do we start?
I'm giving you your favorite part. It's decor. You can assemble small objects while I start with this. Oh, we're going to have such a big house.
I can't fit in it anyway. When will we have a mini house of my mini size?
Yeah, it is a bit small for you, but it will create a great summer mood.
This camper has so many holes, anyone can enter it.
We'll install many windows. That means there will be a lot of light.
I love the light, but we still need to put a chandelier inside.
Chandeliers are right up your alley, Sammy. Can you take care of it?
Sure, Master Sam is back in business.
Well, that was rather easy. We installed the windows. Now it's time for… tap, 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 tap. The stairs to enter the house. It'll be easier to get inside. Where did the other pieces go? I'm sure I saw them right here.
Ew, what do you think? Is this a part of a shelf or some other interior decoration?
No, Sammy, it's part of the stairs. I guess you got it by accident. Let's place one step and fix it with glue.
Here's the second one. See? I'm helping you.
I appreciate it, but don't forget about the task I gave you.
Oh, all the boxes must have dried. Be right back.
Well, I guess the system is clear. Let's speed it up. I don't think I can attach the stairs at the moment. Well, let's leave it for later. Our camper is turquoise, very beautiful. But too much turquoise is a bit boring, don't you think? Ooh, it's so sticky. What about playing a joke on Sam? Sammy, help! I can't…
Give me my suit back, you bat glue!
Oh, wait, no water.
Whoa, I struck terror into the glue.
Thanks for your help, Sammy. What would I do without you? Let's place the floor covering before the glue dries. Carefully fix it here and here. Perfect. You definitely need some fresh air. What's that?
I think it's a music box, Sue, but it's broken, so I decided to play music for it.
Oh, no, it's not broken. It's just that its pieces were elsewhere. It's cool that we'll have music in the camper. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like music boxes.
I adore them. I have a few.
Well, shall we listen to it playing? Whoa, how much time has passed? I think I was daydreaming.
Yep, I kind of fell asleep too. Here you are, Sue. I think it's time to decorate the camper.
It suits you, Sammy. Looks like you had a new hairdo.
Sue, do you want to be drowned in flowers?
Should I put on my swimsuit? Just kidding. Go ahead.
I guess that's all. Did you like it?
Sammy, what a fantastic job. You didn't drown me in flowers, of course, but you made me very happy.
Enjoy! Meanwhile, I'm gonna keep crafting. So much to do!
Sammy, I really like the flowers, but I'm afraid I have to give them away to the camper. I mean, you don't mind, do you?
No problem, I can find something else.
I hope the great Tibby Dada will help us, because now we're going to assemble the wheels of our camper. Sammy, pass the second wheel, please.
Do you mean you can go anywhere in this camper?
Sure. Where would you like to go, Sammy?
Oh, I want to see so many places. The Caribbean, Paris, Rome, Seoul, Shanghai.
To sum up, guys, subscribe to our channel. I guess soon Sam's going to be a travel blogger.
Sue, why do we need this? Maybe it's a spare piece?
Oh, we're going to attach a drawbar here. With its help, you can hook the camper up to the car that will pull it. Actually, let's do it right now. Carefully attach the drawbar.
wanna go on a trip.
You have to be patient. We have so many pieces ahead.
Well, is the drawbar ready? Hook the camper to me and we're off to Paris.
I bet the trip's gonna be long. Here, you'll need this. And can you really go with the house looking like this? See, it's totally empty.
You're right as always. Let me secure you. Alright, maybe this way or this. It doesn't work.
Let me help you. By the way, will you show me the furniture you assembled?
Oopsie, that's the thing I was forgetting. I'll go hide somewhere. Holy cannoli! This won't be easy. What do I start with?
Is there a problem, Sammy? Can I help you?
Yes, Sue! I totally forgot about this sofa. What do we do?
Let's try to… Ta-da! It's a very cute sofa, isn't it? There must be a seat for guests, too. Magic! Here's the second sofa, just as beautiful as the first one.
It's so cool, Sue. I wish we could always craft this way.
But then crafting wouldn't be so interesting, Sammy. Well, I think some pieces are missing. Sammy, I guess you forgot something.
Uh-oh. I was too hasty. Sue, I need your help.
No problem. Could you assemble kitchen counters in the meantime?
Oh, these flowers are so pretty. No, Sam. Stay focused. Get to work.
Oh, the kitchen is coming out wonderful. There's a place for everything.
Sue, this doesn't fit anywhere. Shall we throw it away?
But that's the sink. It's just the time to set it in place. Here's the last element. Done. Adorable.
And I was thinking what kind of hook that was. That was a cap.
Exactly. Guys, give a heart if you like to watch us assembling houses.
My favorite part is coming. Interior decor.
Sammy, there'll be a lot of light inside just like you wanted.
I'll put a lamp next to the bed for reading.
Are you sure it's a house for dolls and not for me? I like reading in bed too. Now we need to connect the wires with the batteries.
Don't forget my lamp's wire too, please. Oh, what if it won't work?
But it does work. There's no need to worry, Sammy.
I'm in stress-eating mode. What's this? Who invented these terrible candies?
Sammy! That's a pillow! They used to make pillows like this a long time ago. It's retro. But you're right, it really does look like a candy.
Hurry up! Let's set the bed before I try to eat something else.
We'll place the bed in this corner, next to the lamp and the window.
Let's set the kitchen right next to it. You can wake up and eat right away.
Sammy, all you think about is food. Do you want a snack?
Will you cook for me? Only the portions will be tiny.
I'll think about it, but first, let's set the kitchen into the camper. Cool, now we can put it inside. As you wanted, the kitchen will be next to the bed.
Good macaroons! That's great news. By the way, I have news for you.
Don't keep us waiting, spit it out.
I got a puppy.
What? A puppy? I'm not ready for this.
This one! His name is Happy. Say hello to Sue.
Oh, Sammy, very funny. I always forget that I shouldn't believe everything you say.
You should write a memo on your noteboard. I bet it can help.
Great idea. Guys, do you have a board like this at home?
It's too short, Sue. This blanket is very strange, even for a doll.
That's because it's not a blanket, Sammy. That's a bedroom rug. See?
Perfect! I know what we're gonna put on it.
A baby bed?
This isn't about a baby, Sue. Happy needs a place for sleeping.
Happy is so lucky with the owner. Its owner is a stylish girl. She keeps her fancy things in this trunk. Also, she loves reading. Let's put her books here.
Sue, you just described yourself. Are you going to move into this tiny camper?
Are you? Eiffel Tower, a trip to Paris, everything you dream of.
It doesn't mean anything. It's just a coincidence, that's all.
Happy? I heard this name somewhere, but where?
Keep laughing, Susan, although it truly feels like this camper was made for us.
So what's wrong? Let's keep dreaming. What else do we put in our camper?
Sue, Sue, what if the electricity stops working and we find ourselves in total darkness? I'm not going anywhere.
Sammy, everything is under control. There's a candlestick in the dining area. We can light a candle.
Let's arrange these pillows to create a cozy atmosphere.
One goes here, and another one goes here. Enough?
Nope, not cozy enough. Put more!
Well, Sammy, is it enough now? There's no more space anyway.
If there's no space, where would Happy sit?
Happy is going to have his personal pouffe right here. I love my house.
Cool. I want to play something too. Make way. Well, I think it's done. Check out the result. Something's missing.
Right, we need a picnic zone. We can stay outside and enjoy nature.
My turn to do magic. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, good job, Sammy. Now I want to go camping too.
It looks a bit empty. Let's put more suitcases around.
Okay, let's put this cool suitcase here.
Here's more. I'll play the guitar in the streets of Paris.
I think it's done now. Well, let's check out our camper. I think we made a great house. What do you say, guys?
Yeah, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and we're gonna make another craft.
What, right now?
Of course, we still need a car to go on the trip.
I guess I won't be able to study today.
Sue, come on, I've already started.
Bye-bye, guys.